And where's your Mercedes?
Warm and dry. Now, moving on.
Tell the ladies and gentlemen why it isn't in that space.
Can't remember.
Tell them. Tell them!
Oh, one of its ignition coils has gone a bit wonky.
Now, it's interesting that you should say that, because I did some research and I found out that the ignition coil for the Nissan Pixo is £138. Yes. How much is it for the Mercedes?
£878.
Sorry, did that include fitting?
No.
No. Did it include the VAT?
No.
No. So what, in fact, was the cost of a new ignition coil for your Mercedes?
£1,200.
£1,200, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. I keep my hair.
That's annoying.
Now, recent figures have showed that 71% of people across the UK still commute by car, and more people go to work by walking or by bicycle than they do by train.
Yeah, and the reason for that is very simple. Train tickets are enormously expensive, and they're enormously expensive because trains are enormously expensive to build.
But why are trains expensive to build? Why has Britain's last train maker recently laid off half its workforce? Surely there is a solution to this problem. I mean, how hard can it be?
This is a Jaguar XKR-S. It's 22 years old and it cost us £4,500.
For that, we got the convertible version with the big engine, the 300 horsepower, 5.3-litre V12. Really does go like a train, this car, and that is what got us thinking, because could it actually be a train?